So now I'm going to teach you the difference in trebling on the beat and off the beat. So trebling on the beat, you'll hear in the music, it's just really smooth and everything just sounds really in time. You're just going to go, they're treble 2 3s. Treble 2 3, treble 2 3. Treble 2 3, treble 2 3. You're starting with that front foot. Front, front, front 2 3, front 2 3. With offbeats, the offbeat will always start on your back foot. You're going to finish the offbeat on your back foot too. And then once you master that back foot, jump down, then you can do it fast and it's going to look exactly like this. And that is the difference between a treble 2 3 and an offbeat 2 3.